Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to mark and enter bills on the new Where's George app. This way we can track where our bills go. Alright, they have a new app now. Go to wheresgeorge.com. You can enter bills there if you want to, but if you want to use your phone, download the app they have right there. It says download it to your home screen, okay? And that way you'll get the app on your phone. You can do it right there. Use the camera on your phone. Well, we'll show you how to do all that. So hang on, watch us, and we'll show you how to do it. We'll show you how we do that. Here's our rubber stamp, okay? Stamp it right there. I'm going to put it on the top right there. See where it says wheresgeorge.com. We'll do it again on the next one, okay? There's that one. Got it stamped a little better, didn't it? Track this bill on wheresgeorge.com. Do a third one now. I think I'll put this one down here at the bottom. What do you say? There we go. Track this bill at www.wheresgeorge.com. So we'll go enter it into the app now. Show you how we do it. I'm going to need the serial number. I'm going to need the series number right there. See, that's 2013. That's 2017A. Another 2017A. When we get in there, we can enter those using the camera to take a picture of the serial number, or we can enter it on the keypad, either one. There's the app on my phone. On the left is where you enter found bill, on the right is where you enter new ones. Let's see what we got here. Well, having trouble finding my location, isn't it? Okay. There it is, 2017A. Didn't work. I'm having trouble with their apps sometimes. Alright, let's go to the launch desktop site, see if that works. There you go. That one on the right is where you enter a new bill. Denomination. And it still didn't get my location. See if we can get it to work here. Okay, this might work. Move to a 17A. We'll take a picture of it. Right there. Touch the screen. Okay, open that little window up. And get letters and numbers in there, just like that. There's the number. Submit. Alright, there it is. Oh, it's a 21. I got the wrong date, I think, up there, don't I? We'll find out. It continues. See what happens. Now we'll move it up, change it ourselves. Here we go. There's all of our information. Submit the bill. Alright, enter another bill. Denomination again. Let's get the right year this time. 17, okay. Touch the screen. Remember, open that box up where it'll cover the number and letters. Right there, and you can cut it down a little bit right there. Submit. There's my number. Continue. There's my numbers, my location, all that. Submit this bill. Let's enter the third one now. Enter another bill. Denomination. Pick the right year and denomination. 17A. Click the screen. Put everything in that box right there. Crop. There we go. Submit. There's my number, 117A, my serial number. Continue. There it is. Submit the bill. Guess it didn't take it. Try it again. Crop, submit bill, or submit. Okay, there's the numbers. Looks like it's correct. Submit the bill. Let's enter another bill. I got another one up here. Denomination. This one is a 5. 2021. Is that what it was? No, it was a 17A, wasn't it? Yeah. Alright, let's photograph it. The serial number right there. Click the screen. Open the box. Get the whole thing. All letters, numbers, everything. Submit. It's asking me a C or a G. It wants to make sure that we know what it is. I think it's a G, so continue. There's our numbers, info. Let's enter another bill. We've got one more bill here. Let's see. Get the right denomination, 5, 2017A. Take a picture of the serial number. Put it all in that box. Right there. Crop. Submit. There it is. Continue. There's all my info, the numbers and everything. Submit the bill. Alright, we got another 5 here. We're going to enter it too. So let's enter another bill. What's this? See, what's the year on this one? It was a 13, I think. 2013, yeah. Take a picture of it. Put it all in the box. Serial number all in the box. All letters, numbers, everything. Crop it. This looks like a C. It's going to ask us here, C or a G. Wants to make sure you got the right letter there. Change it. We got a G, okay. Continue. There's our info. Submit the bill. Alright, let's go check the reports this time. Reports and settings. My bills entered today. Entries found. What is this? Last 30, that was hits. My bills entered. Okay. There we go. Look at all the stuff I've entered here. Not all those are today, of course, but you can hit my bills entered today if you want to, but we're done now. I think we're going to call it a day since we've entered all our bills. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.